You've already read about the Guided Pathways Initiative. An integral part of this is faculty advising. So it's important for you to be able to quickly navigate to curriculum guides and articulation agreements to help the students in your class. I'm going to show you some of the basics so you'll be able to do it. When you first get on the TCC webpage at tcc.edu, you're going to go to Academics. On the left side, you'll see the different career pathways. There are 9 of them, and these are disciplines put together in clusters that are similar. On the third column, you're going to see different transfer programs, so these vary. We're going to look at both. On the left side, for instance, let's say you have a student who is in the health professions. So you'll click on health professions and find their degree here. So as you can see, there's several different health profession degree and certificates. So let's say this is a occupational therapy student. So you'll click right here and it will open a page that tells a little bit about that program, and you will see at the bottom, see the curriculum. This is where you want to go to open the curriculum, which are classes that students should be taking. To the right, it gives you an option to open it in PDF or Word. I'm going to open it in PDF. And if I was emailing it to a student, I would just save it to email. Right here, it tells you about the program. It gives you the program code, and then it tells you the courses that the student needs to take in order, as well as any kind of prerequisites or co-requisites. This helps students make informed choices on the classes that they take rather than just randomly picking what's available. So as you can see, this maps out the entire program. Okay, let's look at another one. Say the student is in a transfer program. They just want to get their credits to be able to transfer to a 4-year university. So let's say, for instance, this student wants to be an elementary school teacher, and she is working to transfer to a 4-year degree. She wants to go to ODU. So again, we'd click on Academics, and I would go down here to Transfer Programs, and I would choose Social Sciences. Okay. It's going to give us a long list of different transfer agreements, which we'll look at in just a second. But first, we want to see the curriculum here at TCC they need to take. So we're going to click on that and follow the same steps. Open the curriculum guide. You can save it if you like. And then it tells you all the classes again in order the student needs to take. So you will notice on some of these there's little numbers beside them. That tells you that there are specific courses that these students can take to meet these electives, and they are found in the course catalog. And each one of these down here tells you exactly what classes as well will fill that. Okay, so that is the curriculum guide for TCC. Now what can they do with it? So let's go back there and look at transfer agreements. So there's a lot of different things you could do here. You can select a program, or you can select the school you want to go to. So for the student that wanted to transfer from TCC to ODU as an elementary school teacher, we would go to Social Sciences, and you see it lists a bunch of different colleges they can transfer to. You really can go anywhere from TCC. But we are going to go down to Old Dominion and click their agreements. And then it's going to list each agreement under transfer agreements that a student can get. So with just that social science degree, you can get a lot of different degrees as well as all these applied science degrees, as you can see. So let's go back. Let's say a student is in a specified program, such as, let's say criminal justice. it shows that, it shows that criminal justice students can transfer to several schools. Let's look at Old Dominion and see what they can transfer in to get. So there's the administrative justice. It depends on when they started their degree. If they started in 2016, this shows what they will take here on the left at TCC and what it articulates to at Old Dominion. So this is the same as this, and it goes down, and then it shows the classes that they would be required to take at Old Dominion in order to get a bachelor's degree. Pretty neat, huh? All right, so that's a little Advising 101 for faculty. I hope this helps you help your students.